Hi friends! You probably also thought that toothpaste is only good for brushing your teeth and vinegar is only for marinating kebabs. If you follow my channel, you already know these two simple remedies work wonders for cleaning your home, and they can clean a lot of things without expensive household chemicals. Today I will show you a few effective recipes using toothpaste and vinegar. Let's get started. In a small bowl, combine a tablespoon of toothpaste, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a teaspoon of citric acid. Stir thoroughly. You will get an active, bubbling mess. You need to use it immediately. The mixture has a thick consistency, it doesn't spread, adheres well to the surface, and works longer than pure white vinegar. Apply the mixture to the dampened toilet bowl walls, paying particular attention to problem areas, the rim and the drain area where limescale and rust stains tend to accumulate. You can also secure paper towels to these areas. Spread the mixture evenly over the entire surface and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After the time has passed, scrub the inside of the toilet with a toilet brush and flush with water. Enjoy the cleanliness. The principle is simple. Vinegar and citric acid dissolve limescale and rust, while toothpaste acts as a mild abrasive, helping to remove dirt from walls, a kind of gentle mechanical cleaning. Next recipe. Take a tablespoon of toothpaste, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Mix all ingredients in a small bowl until smooth. The resulting creamy mass copes well with grease, greasy splashes, and sticky residue. Glossy kitchen cabinets near the sink and stove get dirty especially quickly. This product will easily clean them without leaving scratches. Don't tackle the entire kitchen at once, work on one cabinet at a time. First wipe the surface with a damp cloth or sponge. Then apply the cleaning paste with a soft, damp sponge and spread it evenly. If there are greasy splashes or sticky residue, leave the product on for a couple of minutes to soften the stains, but no longer or the paste will dry. Then remove any remaining paste with a damp cloth and wipe the cabinet dry. Once one is done, move on to the next. You can also use this paste to clean the inside of kitchen cabinets. The principle is the same. First, use a damp cloth. Then apply the paste with a soft sponge. Let it sit for a few minutes if necessary, then clean. For heavily soiled, sticky surfaces, the rough side of the sponge is suitable, but be careful. Some materials soften when wet, and the rough sponge can scratch them. Therefore, be sure to test the product on an inconspicuous area and proceed carefully. This cleaning paste can easily be called a universal cleaning cream. It's perfect for cleaning stovetops, kitchen sinks and tiles. It perfectly removes fingerprints, greasy stains and dull deposits. Because the dish soap dissolves grease, the vinegar removes streaks and hot water stains, and the toothpaste polishes the surface and removes ingrained dirt. Important: for glossy surfaces, choose a toothpaste without abrasive particles. Now, in a small container, mix a teaspoon of toothpaste, a tablespoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of shampoo. For all these recipes, you can use the cheapest toothpaste you can find on sale at the store or the one you just didn't like. The result will be a light, foaming mixture. It's ideal for cleaning limescale deposits from glass shower doors, tiles, and the bathtub itself. Wet the shower walls with cool water. Then apply a small amount of the product with a damp sponge and spread it over the surface. Use a soft sponge to avoid scratching. The vinegar dissolves limescale deposits from the water. The toothpaste gently polishes the glass, and the shampoo removes dirt and leaves a thin protective film that prevents fogging. For light stains, you can rinse immediately, but for stubborn stains, let the product work for a few minutes. Rinse the mixture with cool water, wipe the surface dry, and enjoy the results. The glass not only becomes cleaner, but also stays that way longer, as water droplets linger less on it. This is how simple cleaning products based on toothpaste and vinegar work wonders in cleaning. They cost minimal money and produce results comparable to expensive store-bought cleaning products. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. There is plenty more to come. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.